Lions are one of the most powerful predators in grasslands, open forests, and scrublands. Lions as we know them formerly thrived across Europe, Asia, India, and Africa, and they may have inhabited more biomes in the past. Panthera leo leo and Panthera leo melanchita are the two recognized subspecies today. There are between 17,000 and 19,000 leo subspecies distributed over southern and eastern Africa. There are only approximately 1,400 melanchita subspecies left, which exist in tiny African populations and one protected population in India's Gir forest. Though there is one population of lone lions, lions are the only cats that live in groups known as prides. Prides are family groups of 2 to 40 lions, containing up to 3 or 4 males, a dozen or more females, and their offspring. All of the lionesses in a pride are related, and female cubs often stay with the group as they grow older. Young male lions ultimately depart and build their own pride by taking over another male-led group. Males protect the pride's territory by marking it with urine, roaring menacingly to warn intruders, and pursuing animals away from their domain. Female lions are major hunters and leaders of the group. They frequently collaborate to hunt antelopes, zebras, wildebeest, and other big grassland animals. Because many of these creatures are quicker than lions, working together pays rewards. Following the hunt, the cooperative efforts frequently devolve into bickering over the distribution of the kill, with cubs at the bottom of the pecking order. Young lions do not participate in hunting until they are roughly a year old. If the chance presents itself, lions will hunt alone, and they will also grab prey from hyenas or wild dogs. Females in a pride frequently give birth at the same time, although not in the same place. A lioness would usually give birth in an isolated area apart from the rest of the pride. She hides the cubs during the first 4 to 6 weeks of their lives, forcing them to fend for themselves. When she takes them into the presence of the pride, they not only have a plethora of playmates but also a plethora of mothers. Adult females will nurse any of the pride's cubs, not just their own. This extra care provides a considerable advantage. Cubs born in the pride have double the chance of survival as those born to a nomad lioness. Cubs follow their mother everywhere she goes at 3 months old and are weaned at 6 months. The length of time a lion cub remains with its mother is determined by the cub's gender. Mothers typically rear males until they are around 2 years old, at which point they are usually driven out of the pride. Female cubs frequently remain with the pride, and a mother and daughter may live together for the rest of their lives. However, when the pride grows, it may fragment into smaller groups that share a region but don't spend much time together. There are half as many African lions now as there were 25 years ago. The International Union for the Conservation of Nature, IUCN, predicts that fewer than 25,000 lions exist in Africa, making them vulnerable to extinction. African lions confront a number of hazards, most of which are caused by people. Ranchers may kill the animals in retribution and as a preventative measure, often using pesticides as poison, if they are afraid that lions may feed on their livestock, which can be a big financial blow. Poachers are also interested in the species because their bones and other body parts are lucrative in the illicit wildlife trade. Lions are well known for their powerful roar. The thunderous call, which can be heard up to 3 miles distant in ideal conditions, primarily serves to indicate territory control. The lion's famous cry begins softly and gradually increases in loudness, frequency, and length until the full roar is accomplished. After around 40 seconds, the noises start to fade, culminating in a series of groans. Males can roar when they are around a year old, and females a few months later. Lions communicate with one another through their roar. It identifies individuals, enhances the pride's relationship, and informs other animals about the realm of the pride.